Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the beauty products that make a real difference in your daily routine. Today, we're taking a close look at the Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay-in-Place Foundation Makeup Pump, a reusable accessory designed to complement one of the most iconic foundations in the beauty world. Compact and sleek, this navy-colored pump promises to make your foundation application cleaner, more controlled, and less wasteful. The pump itself measures just under 4 inches in height, with a width and depth slightly over an inch, making it a practical addition to any makeup setup without taking up too much space. Its reusable design is intended to reduce product spillage and provide precise dispensing for each application, keeping your foundation experience smooth and efficient. When I incorporated this pump into my foundation routine, the difference was immediately noticeable. No more messy drips or accidental overpouring. Each pump delivered a consistent amount of product, which made blending effortless. The mechanism is smooth, requiring just the right amount of pressure, and it fits snugly onto the standard Estée Lauder Double Wear bottles. While it does add a bit of height to the bottle, it feels sturdy and well constructed, ensuring that it won't tip over easily during use. One of the biggest advantages of this pump is its ability to maintain hygiene. Traditional pouring can sometimes leave product on the bottle rim, creating a breeding ground for bacteria. The pump eliminates that risk, making your daily application more sanitary. On the flip side, it does require occasional cleaning to prevent buildup around the nozzle, which could affect the flow over time if neglected. In terms of value, this pump is a small investment for the convenience and control it brings. While it doesn't alter the foundation formula itself, the ease of use and reduction in product waste justify its price, especially for regular double wear users. Compared to other foundation pumps on the market, Estée Lauder's version stands out for its precise fit and reliability. Some generic pumps may fit multiple bottles, but often compromise on smooth dispensing or durability. The build quality is solid, the navy-colored finish feels premium, and the materials used are durable enough to withstand daily use. Longevity-wise, as long as the pump is kept clean and used correctly, it should last as long as the foundation bottle itself. As for customer support, Estée Lauder is known for responsive service, so any issues with the pump would likely be addressed promptly. If you're exploring alternatives, there are generic foundation pumps at a lower cost, but they rarely match the seamless integration and reliability of the Estée Lauder option. For those committed to their double wear foundation, this pump is truly a practical companion. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, the Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay-in-Place Foundation Makeup Pump provides convenience, precision, and a cleaner application experience. It's particularly suited for anyone who wants to maintain the integrity of their foundation while minimizing waste. If you frequently use double wear, this pump elevates your routine in a small but meaningful way. Thank you so much for watching. The link to purchase this pump can be found in the description box below, and if you've tried it already, drop a comment sharing your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.